Welcome once again to another episode of Best Product Reviews, and in this episode you are going to watch the newly launched Garmin Forerunner 55. If you are moving on from something like Fitbit to a dedicated running watch, then the lack of a touch screen might take some getting used to. But the set of 5 physical buttons are easy to operate on the move or with sweaty hands and are clearly labeled to avoid confusion. It is not a perfect Garmin watch. The screen hasn't received any update since the Forerunner 45, and it would have been nice to see a refreshed design. But the company's GPS accuracy is hard to beat, and it is a great entry point to the wonderful world of sports wearables. If Garmin continues the same release pattern, we would expect to see a Forerunner 65 land in mid-2023. But it's worth bearing in mind that Garmin has a history of releasing firmware updates that add new features to all devices, so you won't necessarily need to upgrade straight away to benefit from new training tools. The Garmin Forerunner 55 has a very similar look to the Forerunner 45, with a 42mm case featuring 5 buttons around the circumference. It also has the same color memory in pixel display with a 208 pixel resolution. You can choose different face designs through the watch's setting menu and download extra ones from the Garmin Connect IQ store. Unlike the Forerunner 45, the Forerunner 55 is only available with a 42mm case. It is a good compromise, large enough to show a reasonable level of detail, but not big enough to overpower smaller wrists. It is supplied with a single silicone strap with perforations along the entire length to fit the widest possible range of wrist sizes. This watch is charged using Garmin's standard USB-A charging cable, which plugs securely into the watch's bag. At 37 grams, the Forerunner 55 is fractionally lighter than both Forerunner 45 models, but the difference is imperceptible in use. The watch is comfortable and light enough that we easily forgot that we were wearing it. The watch has a plastic case in black, white or aqua topped with chemically strengthened glass. Higher-end Garmin watches feature Gorilla branded glass, but the company has kept cost down a little by opting for a generic alternative. Although simple, it is thoughtfully designed a first running watch. Like the Forerunner 45, there is no touchscreen. Instead, you scroll up and down using 2 buttons on the left-hand side. The top right button allows you to select the current option, and the bottom left button takes you to the previous menu. The top right buttons control the watch's backlight. To start tracking a workout, press the button at the top right and scroll down to select a workout type. You can choose which options appear here and in what order by scrolling down and selecting the green plus icon. So if your favorite activity is spinning or swimming, you can ensure this appears first. One new feature that will be particularly helpful for anyone new to working out is the training suggestions that appear on the watch before you begin monitoring on activity. You can choose whether to follow this device, which is based on your activity history, or dismiss it and do your own thing. One of the features that sets Garmin's entry-level watches apart from their rivals is the excellent onboard GPS, and the Forerunner 55 is no exception. In our test, the watch established a lock extremely quickly, even in built-up areas, and recorded a pre-measured 3-mile route to within a few yards. If you are working your way up to your first 10K or half marathon, that is a real boon. The Garmin Forerunner 55 also offers an array of everyday health monitoring tools to supplement its fitness tracking chops. Like all Garmin sports watches, the Forerunner 55 syncs with the Garmin Connect mobile app. If you are upgrading from an older Garmin watch, all your previous workout and health data will be kept and can be sent to your new device automatically. Connecting to the app is a simple process. Once you have created a profile and logged in, open the main menu, select Garmin devices, and tap your new watch to start pairing. You will be prompted to type in a PIN displayed on the watch's screen as verification, and that is it. So if you have not used a sports watch or any kind of wearable before, the Forerunner 55 is a great starting point. Although there is a bit of a learning curve, its interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate even while you are on the move, and it is also affordable. For further details of this watch, check out the links mentioned below in description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.